Your next adventure deserves more than just smartphone photos. Whether you're exploring breathtaking landscapes, capturing unforgettable family moments, or creating travel content for YouTube, having the right camera can completely transform your experience. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best cameras for travel in 2026, from compact everyday cameras to powerful mirrorless systems that deliver professional quality photos and videos anywhere in the world. We'll look at the cameras that offer the perfect combination of image quality, portability, battery life, autofocus performance, video features, and overall value. Whether you're a backpacker, a travel vlogger, a photography enthusiast, or someone who simply wants amazing memories from every trip, there's a camera on this list for you. From stunning 4K and 8K video capabilities to advanced stabilization and smart features, these cameras are designed to handle everything from city adventures to remote destinations. So, before you book your next trip, make sure you watch until the end to discover which travel camera takes the #1 spot for 2026. Let's get started. Number 5. OM System Olympus OM 3 Silver Micro 4/3 Camera. The OM System Olympus OM 3 Silver Micro 4/3 camera is an outstanding travel companion that combines classic design, modern technology, and incredible portability. Built for adventurers and travel photographers, this camera delivers excellent image quality while remaining lightweight and easy to carry anywhere in the world. One of the biggest highlights is its advanced 5-axis image stabilization, which helps capture sharp photos and smooth videos even in challenging conditions or while shooting handheld. The weather-sealed design provides added confidence when traveling through rain, dust, and unpredictable environments, making it a reliable choice for outdoor adventures. The compact Micro 4/3 system offers a great balance between portability and versatility, with access to a wide range of interchangeable lenses. The OM3's fast autofocus, creative shooting features, and impressive video capabilities make it suitable for travel photography, street photography, landscapes, and content creation. And number 4. RICOH GR4 Premium Digital Compact Camera. The RICOH GR4 Premium Digital Compact Camera is a dream camera for travel photographers, street shooters, and anyone who wants professional image quality in a truly pocketable design. Built around a powerful 25.7 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, this compact camera delivers stunning detail, beautiful colors, and excellent low-light performance that rivals much larger camera systems. The legendary 28mm equivalent f2.8 GR lens is one of its biggest strengths, offering a natural perspective that is perfect for street photography, landscapes, travel moments, and everyday snapshots. The new GR engine provides faster processing, improved image quality, and responsive performance, while the built-in in-body shake reduction, SR, helps capture sharper handheld photos in challenging conditions. The GR4 continues the tradition of being the ultimate snap shooter, small enough to carry everywhere but powerful enough to create professional-level images. Its quick startup, intuitive controls, premium build quality, and discreet design make it ideal for travelers who want to capture authentic moments without carrying bulky gear. And number 3. Panasonic Lumix G9 2 Micro 4/3 Camera. The Panasonic Lumix G9 2 Micro 4/3 camera is a powerful flagship camera that delivers outstanding performance, advanced autofocus, and incredible mobility for travel photographers and content creators. Designed for photographers who demand speed and reliability, the G9 2 combines professional features with the lightweight advantages of the Micro 4/3 system. Featuring a 25.2 MP sensor and advanced phase hybrid AF, the camera provides fast, accurate, and dependable autofocus for everything from travel portraits and wildlife to action shots and street photography. The powerful image stabilization system allows for sharp handheld photos and smooth video recording, making it an excellent choice for capturing adventures in any environment. The G9 2 is built for speed, offering high-performance shooting modes, excellent image quality, and impressive video capabilities for creators who want a camera that can handle both photography and filmmaking. Its durable construction, comfortable handling, and compact lens ecosystem make it a perfect travel companion for photographers who want professional results without carrying heavy equipment. And number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlogging Camera. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 vlogging camera is one of the most impressive compact cameras for travel creators, vloggers, and content enthusiasts. Combining a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, advanced stabilization, and smart tracking features, it delivers professional quality video in a pocket-sized design. The standout feature is its ability to record stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, providing smooth, cinematic footage with excellent detail and slow-motion capabilities. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization keeps every shot incredibly smooth, making it perfect for walking tours, travel adventures, daily vlogs, and action scenes without the need for bulky equipment. The 2-inch rotatable touchscreen is a game-changer for creators, allowing quick switching between horizontal and vertical shooting for YouTube, TikTok, and social media content. With fast focusing, spotlight follow tracking, and intelligent shooting modes, capturing yourself or moving subjects becomes effortless. And number 1. Nikon Z52 Compact Mirrorless Camera. The Nikon Z52 Compact Mirrorless Camera is an excellent choice for travelers, content creators, and photography enthusiasts who want powerful performance in a lightweight package. Combining Nikon's renowned image quality with modern video features and easy-to-use creative tools, the Z52 is a versatile camera designed for capturing unforgettable moments anywhere. With its advanced mirrorless design, the camera delivers impressive still photography and video performance while remaining compact and travel-friendly. The easy color presets make it simple to achieve beautiful looks straight out of the camera, allowing creators to capture stunning images without extensive editing. Whether you're photographing landscapes, portraits, street scenes, or travel adventures, the Z52 provides excellent detail, vibrant colors, and reliable performance.